Hello, my name is Dr. Rudra Prasad Shah. I am the Associate Dean in the School of Life Science and Biotechnology. The School of Life Science and Biotechnology at Adamas University has three departments: Biotechnology, Microbiology, and Biochemistry. All these three departments offer undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD programs. For example, Department of Biotechnology offers BSc Honours in Biotechnology, BTech in Biotechnology, BTech in Biomedical Engineering, MSc in Biotechnology, and PhD in Biotechnology. Department of Biochemistry offers BSc Honours in Biochemistry, MSc in Biochemistry, and PhD in Biochemistry. Similarly, Department of Microbiology offers BSc Honours in Microbiology, MSc in Microbiology, and PhD in Microbiology. The School of Life Science and Biotechnology at Adamas University offers cutting-edge, research-driven, and a modern curriculum to train our students in these three departments. The course curriculum is designed based on UGC CBCS policy, the choice-based credit system, to educate our students who will work for the welfare of the society with a focus on improving healthcare, medicine, agriculture, and the environment. The course provides ample opportunities for skill development through appropriate laboratory training in relevant areas. Also, interdisciplinary research, design thinking, bioentrepreneurship are some of the key areas that we are focusing on. We have 21 faculty members who are highly qualified in their relevant areas, all have PhD degrees. They have worked in various research organizations in various parts of the India as well as abroad. So all these faculty members will be guiding our students not only within class but also off the class. The school organizes regular workshops, seminars, conferences for our students, research scholars as well as the faculty members to educate them or give them enough knowledge on the relevant areas with the latest innovations, developments, and pedagogy in the field of life science and biotechnology. Industrial visits, internships in other institutes by our students actually help them to broaden their perspective and have a real life experience which will help and guide them in their later future. Special classes, the school also offers special classes, for example, classes for competitive exam, for example, NET, GATE, JAM, with collaboration with the Professional Studies Center. Also, we have a very good placement record in the school. Students have been placed in various multinational companies and organizations. For example, they have been placed in Biocon, Mankind Pharma, Lupin, Cipla, Sun Pharma, Biogenic Life Sciences, Nerdy Turtles, and many others. So we have a very good placement record. Also, some of our students got placed for higher studies in abroad in various reputed universities. For example, Swansea University, UK, Radboud University, Netherlands, then University of Bologna, Italy, etc. So I would like to tell the prospective students to visit the adamasuniversity.ac.in, our website, to get more knowledge about the different types of courses and different types of things that we run in the School of Life Science and Biotechnology. Also, I would like to request them to please visit our campus and our laboratories to get a first-hand experience. With that, I would like to welcome all students who would like to join our university, especially the School of Life Science and Biotechnology. Thank you.